Yes, everyone. So I hope that all of you are fine. Back with the Josh. Yeah. Okay. So you are all screwed up, no, for the next upcoming examination, isn't it? All right. Fine. So already one of our examination is over, right? So you have your upcoming ICMR examination, and then GATE is there, right? Yeah, so for the next round again DBT bet will be coming up, yes, in month of April, right? And we are expecting our CSIR exam also shortly, isn't it? Right. So as of now our November exams are done and we are waiting with a hope, right? So like when will be the next announcement? So like you all only, we are also waiting for the announcement for the next one. So as of now, yes, yes Ajnu, yes Anjali. So as of now, there is not much news about your upcoming December 2020 examination. Okay, yes Neelima. So maybe we may expect it. No, like there is an integrated approach. Maybe together they will conduct it in month of June only. Yes, Priyanshi, or they may conduct no in this March. Anyhow, we have to get ready with ourselves, isn't it? All right. Yes, Priyanshi. Yes, Ratna. All right. Good, everyone. Fine. So this is little bit about me. I have a bunch of new students, isn't it? So I'll be happy to introduce myself and about my work and how I am helping you out in your preparation. Right. So I have completed my PhD in biomaterials. To be precise, yes, Neelima. Maybe in March, if at all, no, after the results, maybe you are postponed December examination, maybe in March, or else, yes, Soumya, they may directly go with for June. Okay, so these two are the probabilities. Yeah, yes, Govindgiri, yes, Soumya, Priyanka. Okay, all right. So this may be the case. It is just a prediction only. We have to wait for the official word from CSIR. CSIR has not yet uttered any word on this. Yes. So maybe no, if at all it is conducting the postponed examination, I am predicting that it may be in March. Okay, or else they may directly do it an integrated one in June. This may be the case, right? Okay, because they have to collect all the round of application, process the application and eligibility, everything they have to carry over. So that's why I'm telling like that. Okay, so coming back to track, so I am your Unacademy educator, Dr. Saranya. I have completed my PhD with 15 papers of pretty good impact. So I have just put my papers for you. So I was basically working. Yes, oh yes, absolutely. That's what. So you can target for June. Don't worry. Okay, so you can wait and do. There is no hurry. But what I will suggest is that if at all the exam is in March also, prepare few units and attend. Okay. Yes, so don't worry. If at all they are conducting in March also, let it be a mock for you. Yes, attend with whatever things that you are ready. Okay, fine. So I was telling about this is my work. So I worked on a polymer. So this is my favorite paper. Okay, so I worked for a polymer and we made it as a scaffold for biomaterials. Yes. Yes, Vaishali. So if the exam is conducted, obviously they will increase the seat. Yes, absolutely. So the number of qualifiers, they will be increased only. Alright, fine. Okay, so I will tell you little things before we move off into the thing. So always due to this COVID situation, it is highly uncertain. Okay, right. So this is highly uncertain. So you have to have always, like our research, you will have a null hypothesis, yes, and an alternate hypothesis, isn't it? Yes. Likewise, you can have an option A. Maybe the exam is in March. So if it is in March, how I am going to respond? If at all my exam is in June, so how I am going to respond? Yes. So these two things always have in your mind. Okay. So what I will suggest you, if at all the exam is in March, so what is going to be your approach? Okay. So in total, I definitely recommend you to go with minimum of 8 units. Seriously guys, minimum of 8 unit plus at least 1 unit with definitionary things. What is this definitionary unit? For example, maybe I have told this story already also. Maybe this is a new set, so I am repeating it one more time. Maybe take my case, I am a pure biotechnology student, okay. So I never had any paper on this classical botany or this zoology, animal physiology or developmental biology. I didn't have much, okay. So like how the normal basic science students do. Likewise, one of my friend, she was doing with pure botany, okay. She had no idea on methods because she didn't have that. But I did methods, I didn't have this one, right? So what you can do is that at least either of these unit, you just take it and read only the yes, Nilima, we'll put it. So you'll only learn at least the definition or the glossary. How to read that glossary? Simply take the syllabus, Google the terms, maybe you Google the images or you just Google the terms and see what is there in that unit. So that is really going to help you a lot in part B, because I always keep telling students part B, it is a real trap. Yes, so because that is where it is going to really take up your senses, because choice is less, okay. So this is how you can maximize. So all those things you have to do from the first one. Alright, so this is a currently conducted course for ICMR. So after NET, if at all you want to give up this ICMR, definitely the exam is by December 3rd, okay. So this is the next upcoming examination. Yes, for June 20, maybe chances are there, Sakshi, actually. Yes, so yeah, there is a bright chances. Let us wait and watch. So if at all this December is not at all going to happen, they might increase the number of this June and next June, okay. So both of them they might increase, because yeah, definitely there is a high chance that they may increase. Okay, right. So this is my ICMR course where I am focusing more on biostatistics, right? And then your this practice MCQ, it is from the PYQ, and this session it was on this COVID. All the major questions of ICMR will definitely come from the COVID. Next, molecular biology, biochemistry, biophysics, I coupled with the bioinformatics also. Okay, doubt clearance, MCQ and wrap up. So this is the pattern for this upcoming one. And also I have one more practice booster for GATE. This is another simple examination relatively to the NET. Yes, the font is not visible. Okay, so relatively to the NET, absolutely GATE is going to be too much easy for you all. Yes, so absolutely GATE is going to be too much easy for you all. Why? Because the papers are little bit different. So if you are ready with the CSIR level, GATE is going to be very easy. But where is the trap? Yeah, so chemistry, isn't it? And then engineering mathematics. So these two are seriously very important fellows. So don't miss out to focus on these if at all you are preparing for the GATE. So as far as our subscription is considered, with our own CSIR subscription, you can undergo this GATE course, right? So in mathematics we have a separate class for this GATE one. Okay, engineering mathematics they are offering exclusively for this GATE BT students. So definitely you can enroll with one subscription only, you can attend all these classes. So this is my schedule for the GATE. Yes, okay. So coming back to NET, right? What to study, where to begin? Yes. So maybe this is your first attempt, maybe this is your second attempt. You are just trying to learn of how to prepare for your NET. Yes. NET, it is a very, very direct, yes, predictable examination. Okay, yeah. So it is not like other exams which are non-predictable. Okay, CSIR NET is always yes, Anju. Yes. So it is little bit predictable only. Yes. So from where all these questions are coming? Right. So always this model question paper. Yes, this is very long back in June 2011 they released a model paper. In that this facts question was there. Yes. Till now facts question came. Yes. In that Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium was there. No, not today, Sudeep, not today. So we are just working on it. We have to collect the questions, right? So Hardy Weinberg was there. Till now it is revolving. Microscopy was there. Till now it is there. So you have to definitely have a look at this model question paper. Solve it as many times as possible, because that is going to tell you the blueprint of the questions. Okay, fine. So today's class, it is for beginners. Alright, so where to begin up? So if at all you are a brand new student, you have just come to this session to know where to start off. Yes, so definitely this is going to be for you. Okay, so how many units do you know, new students? How many units are there for the examination? Yes, good. Yes, absolutely. This session is meant for you, for the new ones, right? So there are totally 13 units. Okay, right. So it begins with biochemistry, right? Then comes our cell biology. Yes, Priya. Yes. Right, so it is going to be cell biology. So don't worry about this cutoff and different things, because all these ranks, they will be preparing based upon the average of the class. Okay, right, so don't worry on that. Right, so cell signaling, then developmental biology. Okay, then comes this plant physiology, animal physiology. Okay, right, yes, and then genetics. Okay, and then comes this diversity. Okay, and then ecology, evolution. Okay, applied biology, methods, right? So these are the 13. Oh, thank you, Gazi. So these are the 13 important units that are revolving round and round our CSIR thing, right? Okay, so here I always recommend the students. Yes, Sudeep, they absolutely. So it is absolutely yes, yeah, Priyanshi. So those classes are for plus only. Yes, so those classes that I showed you the schedule, no, so that is for the plus students. Out of these 13 units, right, so you have to select, okay, the maximum units. Okay, so I will always yes, thank you. So I will always, thank you, Neelima. Yes, Arjuna, absolutely right. True, Arjuna. So it happens to everybody, so don't worry. So out of the 13 units, I absolutely recommend you to learn 8 or 9 units. Okay, so in general I used to select and give the units for you. So if at all you are from basic, yes, so if you are from the basic science, basic means like basic botany, basic zoology, okay, microbiology, they come under different category. Microbiology, biotechnology and all, they come under the other category. Okay, so if at all from basic botany and zoology, definitely you can go with cell biology, molecular biology, cell signaling, developmental biology, plant physiology, yes, diversity to a bit, ecology, evolution, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units have come, right? Absolutely. So these 8 units, yes, yes. So these 8 units you might absolutely get it off. Yes, can you translate? So NEET, this is for net. All right. Okay, so this is for your CSIR net category. All right. Yes. So the next one is, so if at all you are from basic, if you are from biotechnology, then you can go with methods, applied, yes. Apart from that, developmental biology you must do, no choice. Okay, so biochemistry, cell biology, molecular biology, signaling. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units have come. Will it be enough? Not at all. So you have to walk an extra mile. This ecology and evolution you can take it up. Got my point? Yes? So this is how you have to select your units. right? So definitely for the basic science students, these methods and this applied biology will be tough. You are going to learn it new. Likewise for this BT students, yes, absolutely. Yes, Rajat, I'm coming to your question. So absolutely after this BT, you have to focus more on this ecology and evolution, without which cracking exam is going to be very tough. So you have to be ready to accept these new concepts. So why CSIR has put all these things is to make you into the teaching, right? So if at all no, we used to get in this teaching no, in this lecturing, you used to get an unexpected paper. So you should be ready to take any paper. So you cannot say that I am from this background, I will not take this paper. You can never say to your HOD. Dare you tell? Never, isn't it? So the same way you have to assume and think in your mind, and then you have to study the unfamiliar units. Don't always see your comfort zone. Come out of the comfort zone, learn everything. Yes. Yes, Priya. We have a separate session for exclusive session for GATE only. Yes, absolutely. So don't worry for GATE, we have an exclusive unit. Yes. So out of the 13 units, you must do with 8, maximum you have to do with the 9 units. So if at all the exam is in March, can you do with the 9 units if you begin now? Never. It is not at all possible. Maybe for 1 month. Yes. How you are planning, everybody? Yes. What is your plan? How you are planning for 1 month? So I'll just tell my schedule. Okay. Yes, absolutely. So do we have the question? Never, Rajat. As far as the CSIR is considered, they always don't give preference to the general science questions. Okay, so again, if at all the exam, the same thing I told you in another lecture also. So ICMR only will ask the question from your general, like COVID, this, that and all. Okay, so CSIR pattern they will never go out of no, this your common concepts. Okay, so they will never go out of the general science and all. So current details they will never do. Okay, right. So don't worry. So you need not, if at all you are appearing for ICMR or GATE, maybe you should be little bit worried of this COVID topic. But as far as the CSIR is concerned, they are very clear. They never ask this topic. I told this before only. Okay, yes, Rajat. So what next? What next you can do? So if at all you have appeared for CSIR, you might appear for GATE, ICMR, yes, and then you might you might appear for this BARC examination. Next round will be coming. Yes, apart from that you have this this fellow, who is that? So your individual universities, NII. So all these individual university, they will try to they will try to call for the individual institutes. So you might appear for that QSET, again it will come. Okay, so it is a central university exams. So all these examinations will be coming and coming only. So you should never stop your preparation. Yes, only once a year. GATE is only once a year. Okay, so GATE happens only once a year. Alright? Yes? Okay, good everyone. So absolutely GATE is going to be occurring only one. Right, so if at all you have cracked the examination, or you know that you have obtained, you have attended a very good question paper, yes, only once a year, yeah. So if it is going to be if you are for sure that you will be cracking up with JRF, then you decide yourself, get ready with which institute or which topic you love to do. Okay, so that is really very important. Okay, so you decide the institute or the topic, accordingly hunt. Really, it is a hunt. Yes, so like how you hunt for things, likewise you have to hunt for the topics as well as the institute. It may be your favorite topic. Your topic is present only in that institute or that lab. You have to target that lab. Okay, but you don't have anything. You just want to go that only this institute I like. This institute is pretty good. So then you can target that institute. Yes, absolutely. Yes, Vaishnavi. So you have to check out with the eligibility. If you are into your MSc only, it is you are eligible to apply. Okay. Yes. So if you are not into the MSc, it will be very tough for you. Eligibility will not be met. Okay. Right. And thereby, yes. So after finishing UG, if you have enrolled into this, it is yeah. So that depends upon the panel members. Okay. Right. So getting this AIR, it is one such aspect. Okay. Right. Yes, Anjanu. I know. I'll tell you how to come out of this big problem. Okay, so what they will do is that they will look out for your research interest. Okay, because they are going to invest your prospective guides. Seriously, they are going to invest the next 5 years in you. Okay, so only you finish and go, only they can take up the next student. Maybe now in 3 years only they are allowing you to go out. Yes, so till that they will be holding you, isn't it? So they seriously look on a variety of concepts, not only your rank but your research interest, how far you are syncing well with the guide. Everything matters a lot. It really doesn't matter with rank alone. Okay, so it depends upon the research interest and how you are taking it up. All right. Yes, so this is one of the common question, Ajunu's question. Yes, so what is that question? I'll read for everybody's sake. Right, so she asked that I am very comfortable if at all it is my university exam, right? I write and I get greater than 90 marks. Yes, I hold a rank also, but when it comes to MCQ, I am bit shaken. Yes, why this happens? This happens especially because, yes, practice is not there. See, so far till your from your BSc till your MSc, you are trained. Seriously, you are tamed and you are trained to write long answers, right? So maybe in your MSc you could have been searching for diagrams and write, because you know that your university looks and gives 4 marks for diagrams, 2 marks for definitions. We have a pattern for rubric for evaluating. Okay, so your mind is only trained based upon this concept. This MCQ we are pretty new to it, because maybe for your part A only little bit MCQ you get, that too maybe filling the blanks in certain colleges or certain universities, and it is MCQ in certain number only. Maybe out of 100 marks only 10 marks you get as a one word. The major part is writing only. I know how many additional sheets you get for the final examination. Yes, Richa, you can skip any unit. I skipped genetics. Yes, Richa, I skipped genetics because I told you that I was from BT. Genetics I couldn't do. I skipped genetics, but still I was able to be in. Right? So definitely you can skip any unit, but you must compensate it with the other unit. Got it? So how to tackle this problem? By practicing MCQs, definitely you will be able to overcome this problem. So this is not that you are not skilled. You have to be trained to this pattern, right? Yeah. So whenever you are learning to to walk, yes. So whenever you are trying to ride a bicycle, on a single day will you able to do it? Yes, on a single day. If you are going for a license, especially you think of a two-wheeler, right? So on a single day, can you take a two-wheeler and go for the license? Definitely not. You need a lot of practice. Yes, maybe you will take up a driving institute, they will train you, or maybe your parents, maybe your sister, somebody will help you to guide you to drive a two-wheeler. Yes, later only you will meet that driving license RTO office, isn't it? So directly you will not go to the RTO office. Likewise only the CSIR is there. Yes, so you can try it on your own. Your parents may help. Yes, you might join a driving institute. Yes, absolutely. Yes. Yes, Komal. Right. Yes. So will it happen again in 21 after Feb? Chances are very less, Komal, because that last year is only there. It is going to be a very less that it will be conducted twice a year. Okay, so it will be only one. Yes, Vasant. Unit 13 is difficult. Not at all, Vasant. Unit 13 is a wonderful unit. Definitely, I promise you, Unit 13 is going to be very much fabulous. This is where our students scored a lot. Yes, with the unit 13 only. It is most commendable unit. Yes, and very important if you at all you are planning for research also. It is larger, but still how much bigger it is, how much valuable it is also. Okay, definitely in upcoming years also many questions weightage is more for unit 13. So never plan to skip this unit 13. So I always recommend 4 units to definitely study for your examination in general. Okay, right. So not only with any major students, I usually recommend ecology and evolution put together. Okay, so these are all inseparable partners, ecology and evolution, methods, molecular biology, right? Yes. So definitely these 3 units, if you skip, seriously the score is going to get down. So never try to skip any of these units. Try to cover these 3 units first. So these I call them as the first grade unit. Under the second grade comes our biochemistry, right? Plant physiology, okay, and then comes our cell biology, cell signaling, right? Genetics. So here you can have a choice. Okay, so here you can make some choice. That is okay. But these 3 are non-skippable units. Never take a risk in these 3 units. So yes, developmental biology is there. So all these come under the category 2 units. Okay, right. So do we make a list of institutes and target according to that? Absolutely, Soumya. So that is what I am telling. Always have a plan, right? Yes. So what you can use, maybe based upon yes, Komal, I gave you the answer. I told that there is probability is very less to be conducted twice a year, so it may be conducted only once. Yes, because that it involves a lot of planning, question paper preparation, so that may not be repeated very soon as far as the gate is considered. Right? Okay, so this is my thinking. Maybe if it is changing, then don't get angry on me. But in general, gate will be there only once a year. Right? So because even CSIR, it may club the exams and it may happen in June only, I guess. Let us hope for the best. Right? So what I was telling is that, yeah, so whenever you are planning, you have to take up from each of these units. Okay, so whenever you are planning for your PhD, you might consider various factors. Yes, so after CSIR, definitely I will tell you this also. So after the CSIR, what are the opportunities? Okay, number 1, yes, so if you have qualified with the JRF, you can directly enroll in your PhD examination. PhD applications you can put it up. Yes. So number 2, if you have cracked only the LS, then also you can apply for the project. Yes. So guides, generally we get the project from DBT, UGC, okay, even CSIR projects are there. MOEF projects are there. So these are the different projects where the guides will be getting. Okay, so even they are giving the stipend, right? So stipend is very same like CSIR, right? No, Sudeep, so far it is not at all there. So far it is not at all there, right? So this COVID scenario is quite different. It is not at all postponed it much also, isn't it? Right. So this stipend, yes, so as far as the stipend, it is going to be the same one, right? Yes. Sure. Yes, I'll tell you, Rajat. So now it is going to be very same. So that is one of the opportunity if you are aiming for a PhD in India, and if at all you are aiming for a PhD abroad, it is different. Maybe I'll make a different video on that, right? Okay. So number 2 opportunity is this CSIR net. It is like a green card. Okay. So if you are applying in the industry also, definitely this has a separate value. Okay, see, yes, so if at all you are a brand new fresher and you are applying, you have to undergo many rounds of interview, right? But definitely if in your resume the CSIR net qualified thing is put, yes, absolutely your entry it is going to be very easy and smooth in the industry, because it tells them a point that you are ready, right? Yes. So what else you can do after cracking the CSIR? So industry, yes, this industry it depends upon your PG and UG also, isn't it? Your project, the PG and UG also. Yes, Rakshada, I'll tell you. So all these things are definitely there. Okay. Yes. So apart from that, you can do it up with, yes. Yes, so this is absolutely valuable. So apart from that, you can do it up with this scientific writing. Yes, so many companies now, there is a website called Internshala. Okay, so I used to tell it for my PG students also. This Internshala website, you will get a lot of in-house writing opportunities. Okay, so this is called as scientific writing, or you call it as a clinical writing. Yes, so definitely for that also they see that. Yes, and fourth one, you can end up with your own institute. Yes, so like Unacademy, you can you can land up here also, so you can help other minds to get light up also. Yes, if at all this teaching and research is not your cup, maybe you can land up here also. So it is also absolutely a wonderful career option only. Yes, so all these variety of options are there, so you need not worry of the options ahead, right? Okay, so coming back here of what to study. Right, so I told you that to begin with, always take up a light subject. Okay, right, so always I tell the students to begin with your yes, begin with your favorite unit. Yes, so maybe you like ecology, maybe you like methods, maybe you like any other topic of your choice. Always begin with the favorite topic, right? Where to study, this is the most important one. So as far as this where to study, definitely you get a variety of choice these days. But what one problem I see with the students is that they keep on downloading all stuff. Yes, yeah, so if I see the students, they tell us in their PC or in their mobile only, they download everything they see. Yes, so this PDF notes, that notes, this, that, this, and finally they don't know what they have collected only. Everything is collected and kept, but it is going to be very random, so you do not know what to do with what. Okay, please don't do that. As far as your CSIR net is considered, always follow books. Okay, right. So even our teachings are very direct from the books only. Biochemistry, no option, Leninger only. Yes, and then cell biology, it is going to be Lodish and Baltimore, right? And then as far as your molecular biology is considered, none other than Lewis. Yes, so Lewis is the best choice. Developmental biology, it is going to be Gilbert. How many times I have told in the class that questions are directly coming from Gilbert. This time also the same happened. I am telling only the units that I am dealing. Okay, so the next is going to be ecology. So Peter Sterling you can do, Odom you can do. Okay, right. Yes, absolutely, you will get a lot of stuff, but it is not that how much you get, but what is going into your head. Yes, that is what is needed. Yeah, so evolution, Stickburger I use, right? And then methods, it is an assorted unit. Primrose is pretty good. Yes. Yes, Anju. Yeah, Verma is good, but for CSIR definitely you should read Lodish. Okay. Yes, for cell biology definitely you must read Lodish. Yes, and methods, and then applied biology. So Watson and Walker and Wilson. Okay, so that is Wilson and Walker. Sorry. Yes, so this is the reference I am using it for taking classes. Okay, so all my classes are made from these textbooks only. So this is the exact list of CSIR recommended books also. So definitely it will be yes Kajol. So Albert's is, it's also good. Okay, right. So I have given the most favorite book list. Okay, so definitely authors always differ, but this is the most preferred. Lordish and Baltimore, it is the most preferred one for all those things, right? All right, so this is about the books that you should refer, right? So where to study is very important. Okay, so if at all you feel that you can manage it by self study, go with that. Yes, but if you think that so biostatistics I use a self material only, we had in our institute, so we made, I mean, while doing my research only I made it, so I am using that only, right? Yes, absolutely, yes Kajal. So where to study if it is going to be yes Vasant, taste is good for plant. Okay, for animal no, actually I'm not well into this animal. So for my preparation I read this Raven only for animal physiology. Yes, from Raven only little bit I read and went for animal physiology. Okay, so where to study you have to decide. Okay, so number one, you can always have a choice of self preparation. Okay, so the other one is going for a coaching. I will tell you the pros and cons of both. If it is going to be the self preparation, I'll tell you the cons. Yes, Ratna. So as far as your part A is considered, R.S. Agarwal is really very good. So as far as our institute is considered, Christy sir is doing that part A. Okay, right. Okay, so he is doing English only. Okay, and for the self preparation to happen, right? So you have many cons. What is the con? Number one, consistency will be missing. What is that consistency? The moment you think of desire to study, the graph number of learning hours will be more, but gradually it will decrease. Again, whenever the admit card is called for, it will increase. Again, it will decrease. And suddenly near the exam, it will be decreased. Seriously, do you think that this graph is good? Is this graph good for cracking the examination? Never, isn't it? But with the coaching, the cons is the pro is that you will have a constant learning graph. Like everybody will be studying, right? So we have a group and everything. So one or the other will be posting the questions, ma'am, what is this doubt? So you will get the vibes that you should also appear for the examination very well prepared. Yes, so you will get reminded that so many students are studying so hard. Yes, so that will take you a step up, that will spread and give you the energy. You will think that, oh, that girl or that guy is studying till this with all these topics, so I should also start studying. Yes, so if that spirit is there, and also daily you used to have the class, so whether you are liking or not, you have to come to the class because you have paid for it, right? So you will be attending the class by default. Something, if you are listening or not, at least something will go to your head. Yes, yeah Kajol, I will ping you the link at the end, right? So something will be going into your head, so definitely that will increase your consistency. Consistency is what is going to make that, what I have made another video, that even an average student can definitely crack it if there is a consistent learning. Even if you are bright, you are not learning for a while, suddenly you are coming up, it is very hard, because competitive exams are totally different from your regular examination. I'll tell you, I am with the students for the past 10 to 15 years. I know how students prepare for the university examination. Do they prepare long time? No. When do they prepare? They come to us for notes 1 week before the examination, maybe during the model examination if we have, just 3 days before, ma'am, give all your PPTs, ma'am, give the book Xerox, ma'am. So it happened or not? Yes, so you study whatever things I give you, maybe one night before or maybe before the model exam only, you collect the notes, yes, and you take the Xerox, and then you study, and whatever you write, and we will also look for the keywords and we will correct, because the pages are very lengthy. Yes, so this is how the exams are taking place as for your university exams are considered. Never compare it with a competitive exam. In a competitive exam, write and keep, you can crack only if you learn for a minimum of 100 days. Heart and soul, if you give me 100 days, I will make you to crack the examination. It is not like your exam that you study only 10 days. Yes, so you can never appear, never dream of appearing after studying 1 month. Okay, so 30 days and all, it is not at all enough, because you have to make an in-depth understanding. You need time to digest it. You need time to practice it. Yes, practice is seriously very important to get up with the examination. Yes, so have a consistency in learning. Yes, so definitely that will take you up to greater heights. Yes, so absolutely. No, Vasant, I am from pure BT, so I skipped this thing also. Yes, Gayatri. Yes, oh, good, Gayatri. Yes. So, see, what is this free classes? They are very less only, Gayatri. So, as far as these special classes are considered, so they are in par with your plus classes. But these free demo videos that we have given in that app, no, so it is a very preliminary information. Okay, since because it is a very preliminary information, so that may give you an idea of how to begin only, but in-depth notes you will get only in this no special class as well as the plus classes. Okay, yes, absolutely. So practice and test, absolutely. Yes, Raghupati, if you wet your hands only, you will learn. Okay, so I can teach you the concept, but how much you wet your hands and learn by practicing the test. See, by practicing only you will know all those things, isn't it? Right. Okay, so this is little bit about our program cost and all. So this 1 month, it is very less. It is going to be 2100, right? But I don't recommend it because it is pretty high when compared to your regular rates. So I always recommend the students to go with 12 months. So if at all you are in your MSc, yes, you can take it up with 24 months, 2 years flat package, because this may rise up anytime. Okay, so it is a guaranteed one, you can keep it. Amount is very less, 16,800 only, right? So this is very less for you really, because for 24 months, divide it by 24 and see. So it is even less than your Amazon Prime subscription, isn't it? Right. So you can use my code SaranyaLive. It will fetch you a 10% off on the total fee, right? So with this, definitely I tell you that I will give you time. I will transform your way of learning only. Yes, absolutely. So this is the free structures for those who are new. So in the description box also we have given all those stuff, right? So definitely the career is very important and the time is also important. Why? Especially I am telling you this time is that because it has been 10 years since the syllabus is changed, right? So it is a warning that maybe in the next year, yes, because of COVID, this year it is not going to happen. Maybe the next year the syllabus may change. So that is going to be a total different outlook. So before that, qualify and go with a qualified hand only. Yes, so it's better because now you have so much of practice. You have so much of PYQs in your hand. With that, it is going to be very easy for you to crack it up. Okay, so if it is going to be a new syllabus, you have to sit, break your head, work on the model, and then you have to prepare and qualify. Okay, so take this golden opportunity, crack it at the earliest. Yes, so many of them are preparing, and these are the list of the exams. So apart from CSIR net, you have your DBT, ICMR, ICAR, JBELS, BARC, QSET, your normal set. Sometimes DRDO set is also coming. It is a scientist entrance examination. As far as GATE, this is there. So these much examinations are there. So definitely all of them need your concentration. Yes, so if you are determined, if you are really having a dream, seriously, it will only take you to that place. Yes. So what are the factors that really mind? Number one, it is the desire. First, you should have the desire to win. Okay, you should not think that, see ma'am, there are about 1 lakh applicants. So within that 1 lakh, that 4,000 will be me. Is it a chance? Huh? Yes, Richa. None other than Leningen. One and only Leningen. Yes. So first you should believe yourself that you are going to win. Yes. So even if you are not believing, who will believe? Isn't it? So always have a belief on yourself. Have a desire to win. You should be one among this 4,000. You should be one among this 2,000. That is the belief that you should have. Yes. So that desire, that burning desire will only make you to learn properly. Right. Number 2, proper way of learning. Yes. So majority of the students, they lack this. Yes. So maybe after 2 attempts, maybe after 3 attempts, after 4 attempts, students come to me. Then they find that how far their preparation are different before and after this coaching. Right? So I am not favoring something, but still I am telling you that if you are at the same thing I told you for your driving. Okay. So if you are trying to learn driving alone, how difficult it will be. You should fall down. Yes. So everything will happen. After that only you will learn. But if you are taking the help of a guide, okay, so like you are joining a driving institute, so what they will do, they know that at this stage you will fall, so they will prevent you from falling. Got it? So you can make a learning from others' mistake rather than spending time on putting your own mistake and then learning to overcome out of it. Got the difference? Because time is seriously precious. Right? So absolutely don't wait to commit a mistake and then never regret that time has gone and then come up for coaching. It is nothing wrong in taking up a coaching, because see how the self-made is going to be very tough these days, because you have a lot of distractions. Like I told you, if you take it up, yes. So if at all you take it up your own material only, I know that your system will be loaded with thousands of files that are simply lying in your desktop. You could have never opened only. You never know which is the right one, which is the junk. Yes. So these days you get a lot of material that is coming as junk. Yes. Simply you get many PDF coming as junk. Right? Yes. Oh nice. Oh yes. No, Kavya, I think it is not yet released. Yeah, Shivani. Oh, thank you. Wow. Good, Shivani. Very happy to note that. Yes. So seriously, you don't know. Then you have to think whether this material is valid or not. Yes. And then whether this key of that test is correct or not. So all those things you are taking a risk. Okay. So rather than taking a risk, you can come committed with a particular way of trained learning. Yes. So this is far better than making your own struggle. Yes. So definitely you have to take a decision and you have to learn now, such that the next part it will be better. Alright. So this is the question paper format for the newcomers. So part A, yes, you will have a total of 20 questions, out of which maximum you can attend 15. Right. So negative mark is there, it is 0.5. Okay, so the maximum mark you will get is about 30. Right? Okay, yes, absolutely. And for part B, it is going to be 50 numbers. Out of that, yes, out of that 35, you have to attend, so that will get 70. So for part C, they will give you around how many questions? 75 questions. You can attempt with 25 into 4. Oh, Vasan, thank you. So you will be getting off with 100 mark. Negative is 1 mark. Okay, right. So this was the cutoff for the last time. It was 54. This time maybe it may get rise to 60.1 because you got a lot of time to study. Right? Yes, maybe Shivani, maybe maximum I am telling. Okay, it may be go off to 60 or 62 or even 62 it may go off. Yes, so that is a simple prediction only actually. So we have to wait for the CSIR word. Right. So here part A, it needs your mathematic. Yes, so it depends on the mathematical brain of you. Part B, it is really a trap, I call. Why? Because you have a very less choice. So that is why I tell you always to maximize the units. Right? So you must maximize the units. Yes, yeah, Shivani. So, absolutely, you have to remember a lot and you have to maximize the unit. Then only part B will be nice. Yes. Yeah, Shivani, part A was difficult. Okay. So, definitely you should make a constant effort. So, if you are not sure that, yes, you will make it on your own, please don't wait. Take the decision and immediately join the institute such that no, you will have an assured hand help in your hand. Yes, and always believe that it is an easy examination. Relatively, this is an easy examination, and you should retain the spirit. This also it is done only by institute only. If it is a self preparation, it is very hard to retain the spirit. Yes, in the beginning you might start up with the spirit. Yes, and but it is yes cutoff is going to be separate only. But if it is keep on going, that spirit will go down. Yes, suddenly doubts will come, so you will not have your peers to help, right? So all these peers and guides influence is really valuable and commendable, in this one, right? Oh, good. So this practice and preparation, definitely it is absolutely required, right? So learning of concepts you will do. I know definitely all my children will learn the concept. So this is where the difference is. Practicing the MCQs and applying the concepts and making the mock test. So all these are 4 pillars. Okay, so if at all I am removing one pillar, what will happen to the building? Will the building be strong? Will the building be strong? No, it will collapse, isn't it? Yeah, so these are the 4 pillars. Definitely all these 4 pillars are required, right? So you cannot skip any of this pillar, right? Absolutely. Yes. True. So definitely make a time for all the things. Yes. So learning the concept, you should always look at the correct source of reference. Don't believe this Wikipedia and go. Okay. So you have to look at the correct source of reference. So that is going to be the CSIR sorted syllabus. Okay. Or CSIR sorted books. Right. So you should be cleared in your basics and you have to learn to the things. Yeah, Vasant, don't worry. Now we have our English batch. Okay, so me, Debashishkar and Abhay Hussain, we are taking up in an English batch. Okay, so this is for you all only. Yes, so in this English batch, and now this Muhammad Salman, he is also joining us. So in this English batch, you will get all the units. Don't worry on this this aspect. Yes, okay. So all these learning you have to do it in the fullest. Yes, so definitely that will help you to take you the next level of preparation. Yes, so practicing MCQ, it is absolutely essential because you get a lot of PYQs. So is the PYQ, it is going to get repeated? Not repeated actually, only 20% of the questions will be repeated, right? So only 20% of the questions get repeated from the PYQ, but yes, you will know the level of the CSIR exam. Okay, so you will know that CSIR will think like this only. Okay, and then you have to do a practice question. Is my PYQ and practice the same? No. Yes, Chavla, you can get a schedule of the classes, definitely. Yeah, I will just ping you up with my this Telegram ID as well, right? Such that you will get to know about. Maybe I will just put it in that comment. Yes, so I will be commenting as Saranya. So I will put my Telegram link such that you will be in the group and definitely. Yes, so you will have it up. Okay, right. So this practice is very important. See, PYQ has already come in the exam. It will never come again same. Yes, absolutely. So practice only you have to do. Yes, right. So practice only you have to do. Okay, so this practice should be other questions apart from the PYQ. Okay, so this is the part where the self learners will be lacking. Am I right? Yes. So you can overcome that. And what is the benefit of mock test? It will teach you the lessons of time management. Yeah, really, all the lessons of time management you will learn. Yes. Yes, Shivani, we did it. Oh, you were not there. Okay, so we did it. That gases, exactly the same question we did it. So this methane, CO2, everything I gave in the options, Shivani. We did it in a practice session, I guess. Okay, so and then yes Vasant, I'll give you. So then the plan is absolutely crucial. Okay, so you should have a plan. For example, if the exam is in June, you should have an idea. In December I will complete ecology. In January maybe I will complete with biochemistry. By February I will complete this developmental biology and evolution. In March, right, so I will do it up with no cell biology and mole biology. Yes, so definitely in plus only Shivani. Yes, yeah Shivani, in plus only we did it. In plus we did it. In plus we had that all these classes, no. So definitely in that we did it. Yes, many times we did that question Shivani. Yes, so yeah, absolutely. So for all these you definitely know you have to plan. So March you will do the cell biology and mole biology, right? So maybe in April, yes Raj, so in April which unit you will be studying, like that you should have a plan such that you can execute the plan. So then that's why I'm telling, if at all the exam is in March, you be ready with ecology, biochemistry, developmental biology and evolution. You appear for the examination. It is okay, so it is okay that with all these you can look out for your examination. Got it? Yes, so that is how you should plan and keep. Yes, absolutely. Notes making, it is a skill and an art, so it will give you a better understanding and revision. If it is all the cheat codes, so we make a dozens of cheat codes every day, so it is you to jot down the notes and keep. Yes, right. Yes. True. Yes, everybody, absolutely. So no, so all these cheat codes that we make, you have to write the cheat codes and keep, such that will be helping you up in the examination. Yes, absolutely. So yes guys, so just wait for a minute, I'll give my Telegram ID. Yes sir. Yes, so you were asking about my Telegram ID, no? So this is my Telegram ID. Okay, so I will comment it in this comment box also. Okay, so it is CSIR net live Saranya. Okay, right. So CSIR net Saranya. This is my Telegram ID. Okay, so you can. Oh Shivani, was it? So it was asked in the exam. Nice Shivani. So sometimes the predictions, they always come off. All right. Yes everyone, so all these things are pretty important. That's what I tell you always. Okay, so it is rather better to go to take the help of somebody to solve the mystery rather than singularly fighting on the mystery. Yes, absolutely. Oh good. Yes, so that's all folks. So you can plan to enroll with us, right? So you can plan to enroll with this Unacademy Plus. So Unacademy Plus, it is seriously a way far better than what you see in this special classes and these all these videos. Okay, so always all these special classes and these freeware, it is just a sample. Okay, so still the main picture is there in only the plus classes. Okay, so in plus classes it is a far way better because we do a lot of practice that you will get only in that. In the special classes, maybe you will get the videos for understanding, right? But you have to get your hands wet by practicing, that you will do only in the plus platform. I hope that you understood the difference between what is a plus and what is a special. Yes, so maybe you can first download this Unacademy app if at all you are new. Yes, you can, after logging that, you can click that follow me option under my name, such that you get notification whenever I am taking a class, right? As far as the plus classes are considered, seriously, they are going to give you a new transformation to the way that you are learning. Okay, so I told you that this is going to be the fee structure, right? So I recommend to go either for 12 months. Yes Shivani, so 24 months, both are very competitively easy, and this is my code SaranyaLive. You can use it for 10% off. Yes everyone, I hope that all these things are clear to you. Yes, so we will meet back very soon with a special class. Yes, you can find all this thing in this description box. Yes Shivani, so they gave a dipeptide. Okay, Good. Yes. So dipeptide means how many peptide bonds? Only one peptide bond is there. Okay. Yes. So cis bond is there, inter and intra disulfide. Okay. So cysteine was there, cysteine bond is there. So residue they have given. So what they have given? Cysteine they have given. You are asking, or it is an inter or intra? Trypsin. No. Trypsin it can cleave. No. So what is the trypsin cleaving? Trypsin is cleaving only your lysine. Yes. What else? Arginine, isn't it? So lysine and arginine. RK only your trypsin can cleave. Yes. So trypsin cannot cleave the cysteine. Yes. Without how? No, I didn't get it, Shivani, actually. Yes. So only lysine and arginine can be cleaved by trypsin. Yes. Yes. So these two are getting cleaved by trypsin, lysine and arginine. And that should, no proline should be there. Okay. And it should not be the exopeptides only. Yes. So no proline should be there, and it should not be the end one. For example, if it is going to be the yes, Kajol. Absolutely. Yes. So I couldn't know, since because it is partial, I am not able to tell you. I'll get the question paper soon, guys, for you all, and I will solve and put it for you all. Don't worry, guys. So stay happy. Yes. So keep learning. Don't wait for a good day. Yes. So the good day is always today. So start learning by now only. Then it is becoming very, very easy for you all to crack up. Yes. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's crack up. Have a nice night. Yes. Bye bye. Take care and all the very best, guys.